These are a couple of brand new designs for my newest custom build based on ImpulseRC Apex EVO 5-inch frame. First one, stock guards. None of my custom build quads flies without stock guards, and Apex is not going to be an exception. My little signature feature, small air intakes in the walls to help with stock cooling. Openings on the sides are for easier USB-C port access. Next one is GoPro base mount. 2 bars connecting screw holes so TPU does not twist when we have to tighten those screws. I left some room for washers as well. Screw holes reinforced with meaty rings. And another one of my signature designs, cob light protecting snap-on arm guards. We can clearly see these 2 pins, one at the top and another one at the bottom. They keep arm guards secure to the arm. This indent inside the walls is to help cob light strips sit tightly inside. And again, few windows for light to shine through even more intense. This is a VTX antenna mount. It's universal, and it works with 1 or 2 antenna setups equally good. In case you have 2 antenna setup, simply cut off the middle one to save some on weight. If you have 1 antenna setup, cut off the side ones. And this? My newest design, straight from the Seii oven. Apex EVO 5-inch front bumper. All my custom quads have nicknames, and it's quite obvious why my 7th custom build will be called El Toro. Black carbon frame with all neon scarlet coral red TPUs reveals that Spanish vibe. With few good reasons. Can't wait to put this flying bull together.